Quinoa seeds hold significant importance and cultural value, stemming from their historical roots in the Andean region of South America to their global recognition as a superfood. It has been cultivated for over 5,000 years by indigenous peoples in the Andean region, including the Incas and other civilizations. It was revered as a sacred crop and referred to as the mother grain, or gold of the Incas. Now let's discuss the nutritional value of quinoa. Quinoa is rich in nutrients. 100 grams of quinoa contains 4 grams of protein, 21 grams of carbohydrates, including 2.8 grams of fiber, and 1.6 grams of fats. Quinoa also contains a good amount of vitamins, like 0.1 milligrams of vitamin B1, which is also known as thiamine, 0.2 milligrams of vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B3, also known as niacin, 0.1 milligrams of vitamin B6, and 42 mcg of vitamin B9, which is also known as folate. Minerals like 1.5 milligrams of iron, 64 milligrams of magnesium, 152 milligrams of phosphorus, 172 milligrams of potassium, and 1.1 milligrams of zinc are also present in quinoa. 100 grams of cooked quinoa contains about 72 grams of water and approximately 120 kilo of energy. Quinoa offers several benefits for heart health, making it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Here are the key benefits. 1. High in fiber. Quinoa is a good source of dietary fiber, containing both soluble and insoluble fibers. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels by reducing cholesterol absorption into the bloodstream. This, in turn, helps prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. 2. Rich in protein. Quinoa is unique among plant foods as a complete protein source, providing all 9 essential amino acids. Protein is essential for repairing tissues and maintaining muscle mass, which supports overall heart health. 3. Low glycemic index. Quinoa has a lower glycemic index compared to many other grains and carbohydrates. Foods with a lower glycemic index release glucose into the bloodstream more slowly, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels contribute to better cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. 4. Contains heart-healthy fats. Quinoa contains healthy fats, including monounsaturated and omega-3 fatty acids. These fats help reduce inflammation in the body, lower triglyceride levels, and improve cholesterol ratios, all of which are beneficial for heart health. 5. Rich in antioxidants. Quinoa contains antioxidants such as quercetin and kaempferol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants help protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the blood vessels, thereby supporting cardiovascular function. 6. Magnesium and potassium content. Quinoa is a good source of minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow, while potassium helps counterbalance the effects of sodium and lower blood pressure. 7. Gluten-free. For individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, quinoa is a safe and nutritious alternative to gluten-containing grains.